Here's a detailed description of each of the 10 talking styles. 1. Conversationalist. The conversationalist excels in creating a comfortable atmosphere for dialogue. Their style is characterized by its casual and easy-flowing nature, reminiscent of chatting with close friends over a cup of coffee. They effortlessly engage others in conversation, making everyone feel included and valued, whether discussing mundane daily happenings or deeper topics. The conversationalist fosters an environment where ideas can flow freely and connections can be strengthened. 2. Assertive communicator. Assertive communicators possess a commanding presence and excel in getting their point across with confidence and clarity. They are direct in their communication style, expressing their opinions and ideas firmly, while also respecting the viewpoints of others. Their assertiveness commands attention and respect, making them effective leaders and communicators in both personal and professional settings. 3. Empathetic listener. Empathetic listeners have a unique ability to truly understand and connect with others on an emotional level. They listen with patience, compassion, and genuine interest, offering support and encouragement without judgment. Their empathetic approach fosters trust and deepens relationships, making them invaluable friends, counselors, and confidants. 4. Social butterfly. The social butterfly thrives in social settings, effortlessly navigating conversations and interactions with grace and charm. They are outgoing, energetic, and socially adept, easily connecting with people from all walks of life. Their vibrant personality and genuine interest in others make them the life of the party and the center of social circles. 5. Thoughtful analyzer. Thoughtful analyzers are intellectually curious individuals who enjoy delving deep into complex topics and ideas. They possess a keen analytical mind and approach conversations with precision and insight. Thoughtful analyzers excel at dissecting information, synthesizing ideas, and offering thoughtful perspectives that stimulate meaningful discussion and reflection. 6. Enthusiastic educator. Enthusiastic educators are passionate about sharing knowledge and inspiring others to learn. They possess a contagious enthusiasm for their subject matter and excel at communicating complex concepts in an engaging and accessible manner. Whether in a classroom setting or informal discussion, enthusiastic educators ignite curiosity and foster a love of learning in those around them. 7. Empathetic storyteller. Empathetic storytellers have a gift for weaving compelling narratives that resonate deeply with their audience. They possess a keen understanding of human emotions and experiences, which they skillfully incorporate into their storytelling. Whether recounting personal anecdotes or crafting fictional tales, empathetic storytellers transport listeners to new worlds, evoke powerful emotions, and leave a lasting impression. 8. Strategic planner. Strategic planners are organized, forward-thinking individuals who excel at planning and executing tasks with precision and efficiency. They possess a strategic mindset and are adept at setting goals, developing action plans, and anticipating potential challenges. Strategic planners communicate with clarity and purpose, spurring confidence and trust in their ability to lead and achieve results. 9. Passionate debater. Passionate debaters are skilled communicators who thrive in environments where intellectual discourse and debate are valued. They are passionate about their beliefs and excel at presenting arguments persuasively and convincingly. Passionate debaters engage in spirited discussions with respect for opposing viewpoints, fostering healthy debate and intellectual exchange. 10. Comm mediator. Comm mediators are diplomatic and patient individuals who excel at resolving conflicts and fostering harmony in interpersonal relationships. They possess strong communication and negotiation skills, coupled with a calm and composed demeanor. Comm mediators listen attentively to all parties involved, empathize with their perspectives, and work collaboratively to find mutually beneficial solutions. Their ability to diffuse tensions and promote understanding makes them invaluable peacemakers in both personal and professional settings.